Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4 plus 4. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we have du equal to 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because first derivative of s to the power of 4, you got about this one in here. First derivative of number 4, you got about 0 because this is about the constant. Next, because we don't have number 4 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. So we put this one to change this one, and this one we change by u. So 1 over 4 we put outside. So for this one, I can write into u to the power of negative number 3 du. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So for this one, we will have about u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and we put about c. This one we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2. About u, that's it about this one. Now, we need to simplify number 4 and negative number 2. We have negative 1 over 8. And we have s to the power of 4 plus 4 to the power of negative number 2. And this is the final answer. Now, let's go to the next one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 3x minus 5. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we have the u equal to 3 ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. ds we change by this one. Now we apply the same formula in here. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 6 over 6, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Number 6 and number 3, we have 18. This is the end. Thank you for watching.